This is question number 7. The question reads, which of the following is the graph of the function? F of x equals x over x squared minus 9. So we're going to go ahead and analyze these graphs a little bit to figure out what is going on here. First of all, I just went ahead and rewrote the f of x for you because it's kind of small, and then I factored it out. So we've got x over x plus 3, x minus 3. If you don't have that memorized yet, it's going to come up constantly. So you just have to get used to the difference of squares. It's going to be this b value, the square root of it, and then the square root of the a value. So it'll always be a differing sign, x plus 3 and x minus 3. Then that is also going to tell us what the vertical asymptotes are. The vertical asymptotes are determined by the denominator, so we know now that the zeros are going to be those asymptotes and they'll be plus or minus 3. So we're going to analyze our graphs a little bit and see which ones have vertical asymptotes at 3, and that tells us that we can already get rid of 2 of these options who do not have that. We're going to test to see if the function is increasing or decreasing within the boundaries. So I chose the numbers -3, 0, and 3 because those are the 3 zeros. And then you're going to choose a number. Try to get used to just choosing a sign and determine whether or not the function will turn out positive or negative. When we did the tests here, when I used a -4, I got a negative value. When I used a -1, I got a positive value. When I used a 1, I got a negative value. And when I used a 4, I got a positive value. And that's just plugging in a number into this original function and determining whether or not the answer is positive or negative. So when we evaluate, we see that anything to the left of 3 is going to be decreasing. That is happening here, and it is not happening here. So by process of elimination, we already know that the answer is going to be A, but you can continue to test and you'll see that anything to the right of 3 but before 0 will be increasing, which once again we don't have in this graph here. Then from 0 to 3 will be decreasing, which you see here, and you do not see here. So this one's pretty much the opposite. The answer for number 7 is A. Thanks for watching.